Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to log out from VSCO. So first of all you want to open the VSCO app, then you want to click on these two lines right here, and it doesn't matter in which tab you are, in the Spaces, Studio, Feed or Discover, it doesn't matter, but you are going to need to see those two lines right here. Then you want to click on this one, and then you would just want to press sign out. VSCO is going to ask you, are you sure about signing out? So just click the yes, and voila, you have just logged out from the VSCO application. Thanks for watching, I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe.